Hi, this is Paulo from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to send reminder emails using Postmark. Let's log in to AEvent and open your timeline. Click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. Let's set this reminder email to trigger an hour before the webinar starts. Let's target registrants from the main event. From this drop-down, let's select Postmark. Click on Edit to open up the email editor. We have to enter the email address of the sender's name, the email subject, and the body of the email. Let's add personalization values to your email by clicking on the personalization icon. Let's pull the registrant's first name. Under subscriber, select first name. Let's also add the join link. Under subscriber, let's select join URL. Once you select these personalization values will be included in the email. Aside from the personalization values, you can also include emojis. To include emojis on your email, you just have to click on the emoji or the smiley icon from here. Let's add a simple smiley emoji. Once you're satisfied, you just have to click on Save Email. Tick this box if you want to collect engagement metrics for this timeline action. Once you're satisfied, don't forget to click on Create to save all your changes. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.